Good morning everyone, my name is Ong Heng from Johan Speaking Academy. I'm happy to be here at the Jungle Gym. The Jungle Gym is located at Extra Shopping Mall. It's the biggest indoor playland in town now. It has Babyland and Funland. The Jungle Gym is for children aged a few months to mid-teens. The Jungle Gym has ball pits, slides, coring tunnels, basketball mini field, air gun, water bath, movie room, and many more. There is an adjoining washroom within the Jungle Gym playland. Parents can have peace of mind that their children can go to the toilet on their own, without having to leave the place. The Jungle Cafe offers simple Western food that tastes great for our adults and kids. All of the food is home cooked in our own kitchen with the freshest ingredients. The Jungle Cafe is the perfect birthday party venue. Please visit www.junglegym.my. Let's go Jungle Gym!